Hey Kelly, welcome back. I've been given an action cam to try out. As I said in the previous video, it's by Apeman, but I'm just trying it out with the microphone because I said that I had problems, and all of this I've done before, or on this mountain track, and all you could hear was this constant noise and barrage of bracken and everything else that just wants to bash into you. But yeah, I think I'm gonna, hopefully I'll put this together. It doesn't matter how it looks or what you guys get from it, but I'm just trying out. Yeah, it's an Apeman A77, not a sponsor either. It's yeah, it's just a hand-me-down. It's got a scratch, so there's going to be like a misty bit, and somewhere around me. It might even be over my face, airbrushed. Stops my ugly mug coming through, doesn't it? But yeah, I thought I'd try it out and only film on this today, not the phone or anything else that I can get my hands hold of. But I thought I'd only do it on this today, so bear with me and see what it's like. I mean, you guys might even like it, you know? You guys might even like it, or I might like it, but I really wanted to try it out. My birthday's coming up, you know, I'm thinking I might treat myself. If it's any good, I'll probably treat myself to the same thing. It's only 40 quid. So yeah, see what it's capable of doing, shall we? That's my selfie stick. But it's got like a belt clip as well. I think you can get like the belt clip. I think that comes with it, and like the mount stuff. I don't know. Who cares? I feel like that. Oh, what's that rattling on me now? I feel like that Hardcore Henry, or whatever it's called, Hardcore Harry, and they just put the arms out, and it's all first person perspective. I've done a bit of a Google search on it and like comparisons against the GoPros and that. And obviously GoPros are renowned for overheating apparently, and haven't had any real problems with it. And I mean, I still can't sort out this shaky footage thing. I mean, I don't really mind, but I found out that all the apps I was going through, every single one of them, apparently Google itself, well, it's not apparently, I know, Google itself, if you load a video into Google Photos, what it'll do is you've got the option to edit and stuff like that. So, and then along the, God blimey, yeah, that's where I slipped off before, all down here. Ooh, bramble. Oh, there's loads of them here. Don't know where I was going with that. Yeah, so I tried out this. Yeah, in the bottom bar, it says stabilize, and you can go into there and actually stabilize your footage. It kind of does a bit of like warping around the edges and stuff, but it's actually all right. But if you're doing high-end filmmaking and stuff, it's yeah, if you're doing high-end filmmaking and stuff, I think it's I don't think it's great for that. And maybe the AI generator in it, or the AI machine, needs to learn to adapt to new stuff. But it didn't take that long either, and there's like there's an app online too. It says like anti stabilizer, video stabilizer or something. And what that does is you bung your video in. I mean, I was trying to stabilize a 2-minute video. It was only 2 minutes. I'll tell you what, an hour later, sorry, but no, I don't want to be doing that. I don't want to be doing that at all. But the Google Stabilize, which is good enough for vlogging and stuff like that, the Google Stabilizer was good. You know, it was fairly quick as well. It was a longer video I put in there. was fairly quick. Probably about 5 minutes all in all. But an hour for a 2-minute video on an app, or 5 minutes for, 5-minute, 10-minute video on Google. I go Google every time, I think. I think that's the only way to do it. Oh, we've got a roller. So dangerous. Never mind. Never mind. It's even got a time-lapse mode, this thing. So I thought, well, I'll try that out. Because you never know, it could come in handy. Especially if I'm filming with the phone or something. And I'm trying to show you guys. I think the action camera's alright. I think it'll do the job. I mean, if it's a little bit blurry, it doesn't matter. I'm sure you guys will get something from it. I'm sure I'll get something from it. Hey Kelly, if you made it all the way to the end, please do like and subscribe. Honestly, it will help us out, and there's going to be no more videos like that because
it's painful.
Really bad. We've just gone through the edit of it, and that was the best footage I had. Yeah, I feel like I've had an epileptic fit or something. I've just been.
It's all right. It's all right.
It's been a lot of trauma, and it's been really hard to edit it. So yeah, thanks for staying so long, and I'm gonna get some sleep now, I think. Take it easy. Happy hopping.